Welcome to Stafford's Custom Lumber. You'll find a PDF file below with our prices in it that you can download and print out. And also you'll find PayPal. You can order through PayPal using your credit card on the prices of our lumber. They're all listed below. And we can cut slabs of lumber for like coffee tables and bar, like a bar top, up to 34.5 inches wide and 20 feet long. And we charge $1,000 for a slab of lumber like that. We can make it 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inches, whatever thickness you want on the slabs of lumber. And we're always looking for a young helper that we can train to do everything. And we want that. We'll find good helpers to take over other businesses that we're going to set up in the future in the sawmill.work business. So, we need young guys that can go in and use a chainsaw and cut trees down and turn those trees into logs, and then use the sawmill and cut up the logs into lumber of different sizes. We hope to have sawmills running all over the United States where there's timber and lumber. And so check it out, and if you want to apply for a job, just go to 71.sawmill.work. So take care, God bless, and enjoy the website, and we'll see you at the dust pile.